Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch a new video whenever we drop a new content. If you're a news viewer, thank you for tuning into our channel today. For those that don't know me, my name is Jude and I am a current Erasmus Mundus student studying public health in disaster. I am a beneficiary of scholarships, so in this channel I talk basically about scholarships, how to apply for scholarships that are available currently, and some of the tips on how to win yourself a fully funded scholarship. So please go through our channel, watch other videos that we have done in the past, get ideas, get insight on how to apply for scholarships and make as many applications as possible. And please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, use this opportunity to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you get alerted whenever we drop a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let us go straight into the business of today. Welcome back guys. So the scholarship we are talking about is the French government scholarship. This scholarship is sponsored by the French government. It is currently open, and the scholarship opened on the November 6th and it will last till December 15th 2023, and the scholarship is available for two programs. So those who want to study masters in environment or masters in risk management in France, okay. And the scholarship eligibility criteria include: 1, you must be a Nigerian and you must be residing in Nigeria. Number 2 is that you must be a youth under the age of 35. You must hold a bachelor's degree or a HND, or that is higher national diploma, in environment, in risk management, or any of the related discipline. Okay, you must have also completed your national youth service. It's compulsory for this scholarship, and you must have a first class or a second class upper, which are those who are given priority. However, if you have a second class lower, you can as well apply for this scholarship using your work experience and using some of the other things that you have done in the past as evidence to show that you are a good candidate for this scholarship. And you must also know that you do not need a French proficiency to apply for this scholarship because the study is done in English. So the scholarship is fully funded. It covers the entire cost of studying in France. So your transportation is covered. It also pays you a monthly allowance. It also gives you guidance on how to find very affordable student accommodation. It covers your health insurance, okay, so you are fully insured in case you have health challenges. It covers the cost of your visa, and it also pays the entire tuition fee for your university study. So these are the required documents for the application. You need a copy of your international passports, the data page, okay, and it must have at least 2 years minimum validity. So if your passport is going to expire in the next 1 year, I encourage you to start the renewal process. However, you can still apply for the scholarship even though you have a passport validity less than 2 years. And then you also need your CV to be well detailed. You need your personal statement, you need your bachelor's certificate or its equivalent, you need your undergraduate transcripts, and you also need your NYC certificate. So if you have not gone for national youth service, you are not eligible for this scholarship because your NYC certificate is required. For the recommendation letter, it is not mandatory. However, it is important, it is recommended that you submit a recommendation letter from your university. One recommendation letter is required, okay. The recommendation letter will actually give you an edge when there is need for that. For you to apply for the scholarship, you need to click on this link to see the list of programs that are available at the universities in France. It must be a public university and the course is taught in English. So when you click on this link, it will take you to a page where I will show you and you will see the list of courses. So when you come to this page, you can easily type environment, okay, because this scholarship is available for people who are doing any program in the field of environment or in the field of risk management. So you can come here and type the keyword environment or risk management. You can see that there are about 48 programs that are found on this page. You can as well narrow it down to English taught courses, 100% English taught courses. So when you narrow it down to English taught courses, you will see 38 programs available here. So any of them, you can apply to any of these courses, and make sure that these universities are public universities and not a private university. You can as well change the keyword from environment. You can change it to risk management. Okay, and when you type risk management, there are about 4 programs that are available for risk management that you can apply, and these are master's programs, and they are 2 years in duration. Okay, please make sure you tick this taught in English, yes, so that you get only English language courses. When you have chosen the program to apply, you click here to start your registration. The process is quite a bit lengthy. However, they did a very good thing. They have a PDF file where they broke down the process of applying for this admission. So you click on this link here. As you can see, this link here, it takes you to this page. This is a document that is uploaded on Drive, which is applying for the EEF procedure. Okay, so when you look at this document, you see that they broke down the steps in applying for the scholarship from beginning till the end. So applying for the admission is very a bit taxing, and it's not very simple. However, with this document you have here, as you can see, if you can watch this process, you can see that it is well broken down, so you can easily apply for any program that you are interested in. Make sure that the program is related to environment or it's related to risk management. After you have finished applying for admission through that link, the next thing to do is to forward your entire document to this email, francenigeriascholarships@gmail.com, and the subject of the email should be your last name followed by your first name, then application to France Nigeria Scholarship Program. Okay, then you title your document properly as follows: the number of documents, number 1. Then you write your last name followed by your first name. There is an example here. Okay, so this is the surname of the person, this is the first name of the person, this is the name of the document, number 1. Number 2, surname, first name, and then the name of the document. So you do that for all your documents and forward it to this email address here. This is the second phase after you have applied for admission. Okay, remember that the deadline is 15th of December 2023. So guys, you don't have much time available. The earlier you do this, the better. After you have submitted your documents before the deadline 15th of December 2023, the next thing you need to do between January and March is to contact Campus France office. They have 2 offices, one in Abuja for people who are in the northern part of Nigeria, and one in Lagos for people who are in the southern part of Nigeria. When you contact them, you are going to be scheduled for interview, and then the cost for this particular process is 50,000 naira. So you have to bear in mind that there is a token or a fee that is attached to this particular program. Okay, so when you come for the interview, you must inform your interviewer that you are applying for a master's scholarship in France for risk management or environmental science. Okay, please mention this important information to them. After you have finished your interview between the month of January and March, you have finished your interview, then by April to May, the universities you applied in France, the public universities you applied in France, will give you admission. And once you have gotten admission, Campus France Nigeria and the Embassy of France will now review your scholarship application that you applied during your interview, as well as the admission you got from the university in France. They will review this document, and then they will select the 5 best students to be awarded this scholarship in France. Okay, let's recap on the timeline for this scholarship. Between November 6th and December 15th, you are expected to apply for admission for any of the programs that is related to the field of environment or risk management. After you have applied, you are also expected to submit some documents via email to Campus France Nigeria. Now, between January to 15th of March 2024, you are expected to schedule an interview with the Campus France office, either in Abuja or in Lagos, where you pay 50,000 naira for this interview. And this interview is for application. Okay, and then you must indicate at that interview that you want to be considered for this particular scholarship, the France scholarship for risk management or environmental science. Now, between April to May 2024, you are given admission from the public institutions, and then by June 2024, you are called for a second round of interview for those who have been pre-selected. So by July 1st, they will publish the list of all the successful students for this scholarship. So guys, that's the basic thing you need to know about the France-Nigeria scholarship. So the scholarship is open with a tight deadline, and if you like this content, please do well to click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, I encourage you to subscribe now, and also turn on this notification bell so that you get alerted whenever we drop a new video. So guys, see you next time, and until then, remain healthy, remain fine, and keep chasing your dreams. Bye.